Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be working in my fall glue book. And last week I did the cover of this, and now I'm anxious to work in it. So let's get started. I hope everybody's doing great. I want to start with this page. I've got these cute images from Amy of Crafty Cat, and they're kids in costumes. So let's see what we've got here. I thought this would be a good page for the trick-or-treaters, as it says trick or treat. Let's see here. Flip that around. I like that. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. So now I'm gonna add these to this page. Well, it's not a whole lot going on. I finished the Christian romance that I was talking about. It really didn't have a lot of, it was listed as a Christian romance. It wasn't anything bad in it, which I like. But why they listed it as a Christian, I don't know, because it didn't really have anything, you know, so much as mentioning God or Jesus or anything like that. It was the only thing said about religion was there was a tornado and he was praying for the one he cared about. So that was about the only thing biblical in the whole book, but it still was a good book. It was a nice, easy read, you know, nothing. It's just your typical cleaned up version of like a Harlequin. And it had been such a long time since I've read anything like that. It was fun to read. But now I have started on a new Jana DeLeon. At least it's new to me. Now she does the one that I'm always talking about, the Misfortune series, and those are hilarious. I love them. But she also does some serious books. I had read the Shay Archer series. It begins with Malevolent, or I think that's how you say it. And those were really good, but they were very, very serious. There wasn't any joking or anything in those. And these, the ones I'm reading now, is called the Mystere Parish, I believe it is, series. It's got 3 books to it. I can't remember how many the Shay Archer had. I think it had more than 3. But they were really, really good. So I highly recommend that you check them out. Let's see how. Thought it'd be cute. I got this little witch's hat to put it on the moon somehow. Be fun. Let's see. I'm still watching The Mentalist, and we're watching Burn Notice, and it was really good. It is really good. Let's see here. I want to add some bats. There's a couple of bats there, but I add a couple of more. Or maybe one more. Maybe this little ghost. And maybe a couple of these little pumpkins. I think that's cute. Okay. Get that down good. I like that page. Okay, let's see what we have next. See, I want to do just a fall one this time. Oops. I dropped it. All right. got these little images I thought would be cute. Let's see. I wonder if they'd be better on another page. Let's see what I've got. Oh, these may go better on this one. Yeah. Something like that. Squirrel. Another little squirrel. And we've got some leaves. That's kind of cute. So let's put that down. We are having some nice weather, but it's warm for October. And I am hoping Milton will not be an issue. Florida can't take any more, so I just pray it's all in God's hands. Regardless of conspiracies or what might really be true, God is ultimate control of the weather. And I have faith that He will take care of this, regardless of what happens. All right. Get that down. And put my little squirrel down. I need to do a lot more fussy cutting. Okay. Put this out. And no page may be completely done. I may come back with some things. You just never know. I have been fussy cutting and I still got a lot to fussy cut. I got my ink. I had to order some ink and paper, so I got that. So I've got a lot of printing to do as well. I'll be coming on Christmas, and I have a couple of more fall journals that I want to do. Okay, I think that's all for this page. Got a butterfly. That would be pretty. Maybe right there. Can't go wrong with a pretty fall color butterfly. Our church started their revival yesterday. It wasn't bad at all yesterday. I'm filming this on Monday. It's just that they're going to have it at 7, and that's late for us. My husband has to get up at 12:30. Let's see. Put that on. Okay, let's see what else we may have. I think for right now, at least, I'm going to call that page done. Well, let's see what else we can work on. cute. I can add a cat there from these stickers. Let's see what else we have. She's cute. If there's anything else we want to do today. Got some more trick-or-treaters. I'll have to look into that. I love that. It's practically already done. I can add the skeleton. Oh, I covered the kitty cat. We'll add another one down here. And we've got some, I'm guessing these are eyeballs. All right. All right. Well, this one's going to be short and sweet. I don't want to fill up the whole book in one sitting. Oop, lost the front page. There we go. Let's see what we have. Put my pen in my glue. We have got this page, which I think is adorable. And we have got this page that we embellished a little. I'm sure there's some more embellishing we can do. And I added that and the kitty cat. And we have this page, which is a nice fall page. Oops. The only thing I really think about doing is maybe just kind of making the butterfly pop. Just a little. And the squirrel. This is one of my favorite times of year. Love fall. And hopefully we'll start getting some cooler weather. It's been nice in the mornings. Outside's nice. It's just in the house it's so hot. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.